What's going on, my friend? Brian Davis here. We're back with another video, and in this video I'm going to give you an update of how my portfolio did compared to the market this first month in 2021 of our Road to 100K challenge. I'm also going to cover a little bit about AMC, GameStop, what's going on in the market, all this volatility, a little bit about crypto, not too much, but that's what we have in store for this video. Also, if you like this kind of content and the videos I posted, go ahead and hit the like button. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Learn how to become a meditative investor, keep your emotions in check, and grow your wealth. Okay? So let's go ahead and get right into the portfolio. Okay? So now I do have a Robinhood account. With all the stuff that's been going on with Robinhood, it does have me kind of second guessing of after my options kind of make profit and I sell out everything, do I want to move my money? I'll keep you guys updated with what I'm going to do, but as of right now I'm going to sit tight and just utilize Robinhood because I really love the interface. It's just such an easy platform to use. I do also have Fidelity as another broker, which has a lot more of my retirement stuff in there, buy and hold stuff. So let's go ahead and hop into the portfolio. As you can see, some things have changed since the last week. So if we go the past week, I'm up 35%, $3,020. If we go out the past month, I'm up 85%, which is $5,304. And then in the past 3 months, I'm up 412%, which is $9,263. As you can see, my original investment is like around this much here, around 2243, and it's just been growing since. So some moves I made this week to make this happen, because I did make some pretty good moves. If you guys notice, I do have a couple AMC calls. That is what has moved my portfolio a little bit up today or this past week. One thing you don't see here anymore are my Macy's calls. Macy's had a pretty awesome week. It hit our price target of $20. I actually sold out at around $21. I bought my option at around $11. I bought 2 option calls, average cost of $1.80. I sold them for $8.50, which is a pretty massive profit. Okay, almost over 300%. I think I had around $1,700 in profit from that trade alone. I also sold out. I made some swing trades with Starbucks. Made a couple of dollars. I made like $75 on that, and I made some other plays this week as well. Let's see. I sold out of my Sally's Beauty play for 100% profit. I sold out of my ADMA, my pharmaceutical option. I sold my Jumia option. I think I made 20% profit on that. I think that is, oh, and I also did a GameStop short, which that video seems to be getting a lot of traction because they thought I lost a lot of money, but no, I don't hold the bag like that, son. Bought the put at 72, sold at 57, I'm out. I do respect what's going on as far as squeezing the hedge funds. Mad respect to the retail investors, because I'm one, and I see the potential growth that can happen with us retail investors. But at the same time, there's always dark to light. The light seems like the retail investors are making all this money and squeezing the hedge funds, but there's a dark side to it that I'm going to talk about later in the video towards the end. Okay, so those are the moves that I made. As far as some stuff I bought this week, I did buy Golden Nugget call, $20 call, strike price to expire February 19th. I saw it's been getting beat down. I don't know if I'm going to come out ahead on that position. I still have 3 weeks for it to do its thing, but the market's it's looking a little shaky. So that's that. I also added, I did buy these AMC calls right here. These 2 buys, I bought them on Monday. And also, guys, I will be putting a Discord link in the description where we're going to be calling out plays as we do them. It is a paid Discord, but you're going to get these plays as I do them, because I tried to upload them to YouTube, but it takes time to do the voiceover and do the edits, and by that time it takes me like around like an hour, 2-3 hours before I can upload that video to get these plays out to you. So the link will be in the description to join the Discord. It's going to be stocks, options, and cryptocurrency as well. Me and my buddy Johnny are heading it, so go ahead and check that out. There are some plays here I am down on, like Ally. I'm down 69%. I still have 3 weeks left on this, so I'm going to give it some time. My Virgin Galactic Acquisition Company is up 86%. They did announce who they are merging with, him and her. 23andMe, which is a genetic company. I'm going to be diving in more to learn about that union. But I've been holding them before I even knew who they were going to merge with. I also added Genius Calls, a leap option right here. It doesn't expire until 2022. I bought the $1 strike, so I bought in the money options. I'm up 42% on that. So my plan with this one is I have a really good feeling about this company for this year. I have a feeling that they have some deals in play with some top-notch media companies that may be coming out. So for me, I'm going to be selling poor man's covered calls on this particular play, depending on how long I'm on Robinhood. So I can play weekly options on this, earn premium, and get back the initial investment that I spent on this, which is around $416 is what I spent, and I can get my initial investment back by selling covered calls on those, and I can sell 4 contracts, which is super cool. So that's pretty much it as far as the whole portfolio update, guys. I'm doing pretty good so far. I'm staying humble, staying calm, staying meditative during this time. I have a nice amount of buying power. After these credit spreads and this put credit spreads kind of expire, I'll get around an extra $2,500 of collateral back. So I have around $5,000 in cash to get ready for what's coming up in the market, which I'm going to talk about. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit about what's to come with the AMC, GameStop, and all this stuff. So in my humble opinion, AMC is looking pretty like it's gonna have a nice move next week. Not 100% sure. I do hold 3 call contracts on it, and my plan is to hold. Part of me is wanting to hold just to be part of history, a part of this movement. And another reason is I can see the huge potential upside that is coming next week, because the shorts will have to cover their positions next week. So expect some sort of run up. As far as my option that expires February 5th, of course I'm going to have to sell it at some point next week. It's a $40 strike, so of course I expect big moves next week. Of course, that's just my opinion and my expectation. Not a financial advisor, so keep that in mind. But I'm going to hold my other one that doesn't expire until February 19th a little bit longer. I kind of just want to see this play out. I might sell one contract next Friday or somewhere around there, depending on where it's at, and then just let the house money just play and rise up and do its thing. But one thing that I am noticing, Friday was a pretty rocky day for the market, or this whole last week was a rocky day for the market. The market was down this week around 2 to 3%. I was up 35% this week, I think. So we beat the market this week. Blessings. But what's to come? I feel like a lot of the big hedge funds who were shorting GameStop, who have to make up for their losses, could be potentially selling out of these bigger names, the overall market, and that may bring the market into more of a correction phase. That's what it's looking like this week. So for me, what I'm going to be doing is, number one, my AMC potentially is going to be rising up, which will build up my portfolio and give me some more ammo to buy some higher quality companies on the dip. Okay, so get your cash ready for a correction. In my 401k, I have around $8,000 in cash that is just sitting in cash. So I'm going to be paying attention to the market next week to allocate, a portion of that cash, $1,000 here, $1,000 there, into different funds within my 401k. to take advantage of buying on the dip, okay? Please understand that this too shall pass. Understand that all this short squeezing, this hard run up, it will pass. If you are a part of the ride, blessings to you. If you're not, it's okay. Sit back with your popcorn and just watch it and enjoy the show, okay? So again, go ahead and hit that like button for me. That's all I have for you. And again, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be bringing you some premium content when it comes to investing, money, mindset, and how to stay calm, cool, and collective during these, shaky times. Okay, so blessings. Don't forget, Discord link in the description below. Go ahead and hop on in there. We're going to be making these calls, guys, helping people make a lot of money, because it's been going really good. Okay, so catch you on the next video. Later.